In the wild, there's really only one rule. You're either the hunter or the hunted. And behind this truth, you'll find a world inhabited by some extreme predators, each with their own incredible abilities. Like our first animal, who is sure to grab your attention. Meet the Anaconda, Mother Nature's heavyweight champion.
The first thing you think of when you see an anaconda, it doesn't look real. It doesn't look like it should be alive because they're so big. It almost feels like a dream sometimes just because you're looking at it and I mean, it's right there in front of you, but you're at the same time, you're just like, this is not real.
Anacondas are massive snakes that can measure up to 30 feet long. That's almost as long as a school bus. Incredible.
The anaconda is one of the largest snakes on the planet. The largest has been documented at 550 pounds. So this is an extremely big animal.
There are 4 species of anaconda, but the largest and most notorious of the bunch is none other than the green anaconda. These guys are serious predators.
Green anacondas are found in South America. They're mostly a darker green coloration with circles on their sides near the abdomen that go from the head to the tail. They live in freshwater areas, rivers and lakes and streams. They prefer slow-moving, almost stagnant waters where they can blend in with the vegetation.
That's right. They love the water. Experts refer to them as semi-aquatic, meaning they live in both water and land environments. But they're not just living in these environments, they're thriving.
The green anaconda is an ambush predator, so they'll use the pattern of their body to blend in with the environment. When the prey enters the water, the anaconda will bite it, which is quickly followed up by wrapping the body around the prey item and squeezing incredibly hard.
That super strong squeeze is quite the superpower. They will literally squeeze the life out of their prey.
They're a constrictor. They'll wrap their coils around, and they're powerful, there's no doubt about it.
The anaconda is all muscle. Their entire body is designed to be able to strangle whatever their prey is.
And they use this strength to eat animals you'd never imagine, like deer, tapirs, jaguars, and even crocodiles. On top of that, anacondas swallow their prey whole. How is that even possible?
The anaconda is capable of unhinging their jaw, and they walk their jaw over prey, and then there are muscles in their throat that are pulling it down, bringing it further and further down in their throat.
And with no natural predators, anacondas remain at the top of the food chain. Wow, now that's an extreme predator. Next up, a predator who loves to slice and dice. And later, a bird that finds success in the shadows. Our next animal is both flashy and discreet, striking the perfect balance for the perfect predator.
I love seeing Barracuda. They are beautiful, slender, stunning creatures.
A lot of people are really frightened of them because they really are gnarly looking, but actually they're quite beautiful.
As they say, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. But one thing's for certain, these guys have quite the superpower.
The Barracuda's superpower is its ability to be stealthy, to hide in plain sight.
They have this really cool, slender, shiny body that when they look straight on at you is pretty much all hidden. They tuck in all those fins. They don't need to move much. They stay pretty still. And if you are an unsuspecting prey item, you're not going to be able to get away. They use a very sudden burst of speed to attack, and they'll just basically slice you right in half.
They are so lightning fast. When they hone in on a prey, they just use this huge burst of speed and just explode in, grab a fish, and then take off.
In the blink of an eye, they can go from a complete standstill to reach a top speed of about 36 miles per hour to attack and kill their prey.
Whoa! Now that's an incredible superpower. But it's not just their speed you have to worry about.
Barracuda have large, very sharp teeth. What they're after is just one strike, one bite. That's all they need. So their whole goal when they catch a prey is to just have a bite that's good enough to either slow down that animal or kill it so that they can go back and eat it. It's a very effective bite.
While we're on the subject, our next animal is one of the most surprisingly effective predators on the planet. Meet the black heron. Now I know what you're thinking. These guys are extreme predators? Well, the answer is yes.
It seems like black herons are always hunting. They're always looking for something to kill. I see them as walking daggers. They are so stealthy, so quiet and patient and dangerous. If you are a small fish that is not looking out for yourself, you are in big trouble.
So, what makes them such an extraordinary predator? The answer lies within their amazing superpower.
The black heron has a really special adaptation called canopy feeding. They'll flare their wings and tails while they're standing in the water, and this creates a shaded area.
They are mimicking foliage that might be hovering over the waters, and fish feel very safe under that because they don't believe they're being seen.
So the fish is lulled into a false sense of security when in fact he is about to be speared by a heron.
And spearing your prey is no easy task. It takes immense patience and speed.
Black herons in general are very patient hunters. They fish by standing stock still. They'll be as still as a tree until a fish appears, and like lightning, they can spear that fish.
Some of these herons are standing still for 15 or 20 minutes motionless. You can be watching and studying this bird and waiting for that action to happen, and before you know it, you've missed it. That's how fast it is.
Whoa! These guys really are amazing, which is why some experts just can't take their eyes off of them.
I would watch a heron before I would watch any football game. If you're looking for athleticism and you're looking for speed, they're just incredible, incredible hunters.
When we come back, we'll meet the brainiacs of the ocean. Our next animal may look stylish in its natural tuxedo, but its mind is even sharper.
Orcas are magic. It is one of the most amazing animals you will ever be in the ocean with. Just big, giant, black and white sea panda. There is just something about them. I get chills every time I'm in the water with them.
I've been mesmerized by orcas since I was this tall. I love orcas. I've seen them in the wild, and it's just a majestic sight when you're watching them swim. It's beautiful.
Found in every ocean on Earth, Orcas, also known as killer whales, are one of the most widespread mammals on the planet. But I know what you're thinking. What is the deal with their nickname? Killer whale?
The name killer whale is actually misleading. They're not a whale. They're the largest member of the dolphin family. But back during the early ocean exploration, people observed killer whales eating other whales. So originally they called them whale killers, but eventually that common name then flipped and turned into killer whales.
Whoa, what a reputation! And with a palate as wide as the ocean, orcas munch on a diverse diet of fish, seabirds, squid, and even dolphins.
They're phenomenal hunters. They're really good at what they do, but they can be bullies along the way too.
Orcas don't just hunt, they conquer.
Orcas are apex predators. They're the top of the top. They have 0 natural predators, and they've even been observed attacking great white sharks.
To become an apex predator, it helps to have an incredible superpower.
The orca's superpower is their intelligence. I think that their intelligence is just as, if not smarter than humans.
Orcas live in social groups known as pods, which can consist of as many as 50 members. Within these pods, you can observe just how complex and intricate their hunting strategies are. These techniques underscore their remarkable intelligence.
They do these coordinated hunts where they'll just spread out and they just start chasing and swimming after smaller dolphins. And as they get closer, they'll just start hitting them and ramming them. When dolphins are exhausted, they'll just stay on the surface because they're out of breath. Then the orcas will just start coordinating and batting it around and eventually killing it and eating it.
And their coordinated attacks are aided by another amazing superpower: the ability to communicate.
Orcas are able to communicate with a series of clicks and whistles and sounds underwater and teach their young and show them how to live in the world that they live in. Within the pod structure, the calves are always taught by the elders, and so they will learn certain behaviors on how to feed, how to socialize directly from their family members.
Through this communication, wisdom is passed down from one generation to the next, ensuring the intelligence of orcas and securing their position at the top of the food chain.
Orcas are one of the most creative and interesting animals on planet Earth. I love orcas, and I always will.
When we return, we'll check out a garden gladiator with some lethal limbs. You've probably seen our next animal in your backyard or garden, but what you probably didn't know is that they are one of the most formidable predators in the insect kingdom.
A praying mantis looks like a really interesting insect. It almost looks like something a child drew or was made up in a cartoon.
What I think of when I see a praying mantis, I think of the movie Alien. These creatures look like they don't belong on this planet. They have these amazing, terrifying eyes, those amazing little mandibles, and those insane little arms.
They may look like an alien species, but the praying mantis can be found in a wide variety of habitats, specifically in tropical or warmer climates. Now, I bet you're also wondering, how did they get their name?
Praying mantises get their name because of the way that their front appendages are being held. It looks like they're praying, but don't let their looks fool you. In actuality, praying mantises are very aggressive hunters.
That's right. A praying mantis is a carnivorous insect that loves to dine on crickets, grasshoppers, butterflies, and spiders. They're even known to take down prey bigger than they are.
Some praying mantises are so ferocious, they can take down lizards and small rodents.
And this is just an insect. That's like insane to me.
That is insane. So what makes these guys such extreme predators? Well, we first have to take a look at their amazing superpower.
I would say the praying mantis' superpower is their very unique vision.
Praying mantises actually have 5 eyes. The first 2 are easy to spot. They're the giant ones. But what isn't obvious is that they have 3 smaller eyes here, called ocelli. These little eyes detect light and motion, and help the praying mantis to see in 3D. Their vision works so well, they can detect a prey's movement from 60 feet away. And that's pretty important when you're an ambush predator.
Praying mantises are an ambush predator, meaning they will lie and wait for their prey to come nearby. A lot of praying mantises have developed a special camouflage to help them blend in with their surroundings. And when prey comes by, they sit and wait, then they reach out lightning speed, latching on to the prey.
Researchers found that this lightning-fast strike can zip by in a mere 60 milliseconds. And those front legs come packed with a lethal surprise.
We normally think of a praying mantis as a calm, docile, harmless insect because their front legs, it looks like they are preying. But the front legs of a praying mantis have interlocking spikes, and so when they are hunting their prey, they will actually stab the prey with those legs, and the spikes make it impossible for that prey to escape.
These guys basically turn into little grim reapers when they're hungry. Talk about an extreme predator.
I think praying mantises are really cool. They have awesome adaptations that make it a very fierce predator in its environment.
After the break, an animal with a ferocious appetite and the jaws to match. So far, we've seen all types of extreme predators, but none more notorious than our last one. So let's dive in. Meet the tiger shark.
Tiger sharks are the second largest predatory shark in the world, only second to the great white shark. They can grow up to 16 feet long and weigh up to 1,800 pounds.
Wow, that is some serious size.
I adore sharks and have the utmost respect for these animals because they've been around way longer than we have. They've outlived even the dinosaurs. There are fossil records of sharks going back all the way 400 million years ago.
That's unbelievable. And check it out. These guys are born with a special look. They have these amazing stripes that seem to resemble the stripes of another iconic creature.
Tiger sharks got their name because of the tiger-like stripes that are on the sides of their bodies. When they're juveniles, you can see them a lot more vividly, but as they mature, they start to fade.
And being named after 2 predators surely suggests something.
Tiger sharks are extremely aggressive and predatory. They are not picky eaters and will eat just about anything, including other sharks, dolphins, seals, sea turtles, rays, and they're even happy to eat dead carcasses of other animals, including whales and anything else that's floating at the surface. So you can think of them almost like the janitors of the ocean.
Since these guys will eat pretty much anything, experts uncovered all sorts of stuff in their stomachs.
There's been stories of license plates in their bellies and boots and medieval armor.
I think that their lack of pickiness is very advantageous because it allows them to adapt to any environment that they're in and have a much broader range of food items that they can eat. I don't think a tiger shark will ever go hungry.
Although they'll eat almost anything, tiger sharks do have a favorite meal, the delicious sea turtle. And luckily for them, tiger sharks come perfectly equipped to handle such a creature.
The thing that I find most impressive about tiger sharks is their ability to bite through just about anything. Imagine being able to bite through a sea turtle shell, which is super tough and hard and thick, and they're able to bite through it like butter.
I would say a tiger shark's superpower is his jaw strength. It's pretty amazing.
And that's not all. They also have some incredible teeth.
Tiger sharks' teeth are designed very different from other shark species. When you have a bull shark, their upper teeth are designed with teeth that are serrated, like steak knives, and then their lower teeth are just fishing hooks. When they grab a fish, they bite down on it, and their lower teeth hold the fish, and their upper teeth cut. With a tiger shark, their upper teeth and their lower teeth are nothing but serrated cutting teeth. So what they do is they scissor back and forth, and they're able to crack open a turtle shell.
Tiger sharks do not mess around. They'll turn a sea turtle into a crunchy snack. That's it for this episode of Super Animals. Join us again to find out more about Mother Nature's most remarkable and amazing creatures.